I found this motor on Craigslist in our local area here. This block is an N42 block, which is correct for 75 through 79 280Z, and hopefully it is rebuildable. I did turn it over, by hand before I bought it to make sure it wasn't locked up, didn't have a thrown rod or something like that. The clutch assembly here actually looks like it might be fairly new, so I'm hoping the rest of the engine is in pretty good shape too. This head actually looks pretty good, and from what I can see here, looks like this is in pretty good shape too. 0.75, so it's 3/4 of a millimeter oversized. That would be 30 thousandths, which is good. There's no ridge at all in here. I'm scraping my fingernail across there. It's not catching at all. So I think this engine was rebuilt not too long ago. Cylinder walls look pretty good there. I think I can take this apart, lightly hone the cylinders, new rings, new bearings, and I'm not even gonna have to have it bored or maybe even go to the machine shop at all. I can probably do this myself. This is a rubber handled hammer, so won't be damaging anything. Okay, I got all the caps off. And the crankshaft looks absolutely perfect. Okay, I've wiped these journals down with a paper towel, and I'm gonna measure them, see what I've got. First thing I'll do, I've got a 2-inch gauge block here. So I'll double check my micrometer. Okay, that is right on 0. And that is 2.163 and about 3/10,000ths of an inch. And the spec is supposed to be 2.1631 to 2.1636. So if I'm reading 2.1633, that is right in the middle. $967. All right, crankshaft is good. I'm just going to clean it real good, get new bearings for it, and not do anything else to it. Okay, I'm just doing a quick visual inspection first. I'm not seeing any scoring or cylinder damage at all. They look real good. Like I said, there's no ridge whatsoever up top here. So these will hone real nicely. I'm going to go ahead and just measure the bore. And I've already checked this outside mic against some gauge blocks. That's 2.15, 2.154, 2.4154. And the bore should be, if it's 0.75 millimeters over, should be 3.4153. So hey, that's real close, because I probably got a tenth or two error in my measurement. All right, I think I'm going to be real good.